Hey guys, it's Andrew24 here, and I'm going to basically, I'm just waiting for two more parts for my computer to be like, they're not shipped, but they've been boxed at Newegg, and I'm just waiting for them to ship out, and then I'm gonna build my computer, and then, yeah, it's gonna take like one day, and then another day, because then I'm gonna have to update all the shit, download most of the games that I'm gonna play, and that's it. Basically, it's not that long of a process. 2 days, so probably get the parts by Wednesday. So by Friday, I'll start uploading some gameplay of different sorts of things. Worst case scenario is one of the parts is dead, or something went wrong, but anything else is nothing would go wrong. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. This is gonna be uploaded on the 1st, but because I'm not gonna be there on 1st, it's 31st. But I'm not gonna be here on the 1st. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. It's just a little update video on about my new computer and such. And see you guys later.